This hidden clue could rewrite history. A haunted typewriter from 1932, found in a dusty attic near Boston, may have predicted a string of unsolved murders. Each crime scene was linked by eerie, typewritten notes dated weeks before the crimes occurred. The notes described details only the killer would know, but the typewriter's owner, Mildred Haynes, was never a suspect. The model? A rare Remington noiseless, gold-trimmed, rumored to be cursed after a factory fire killed its original designer. Decades later, investigators discovered carbon paper inside, imprinted with ghostly, unfinished sentences. She waits in the fog. The clock stops at. You missed this. In 1987, a cult TV show's villain used the same typewriter model to send threats, echoing real-life notes. Was it a coincidence or a hidden confession? Flash poll: is the typewriter a conduit, a copycat's tool, or pure coincidence? First 50 commenters get secret files. What's your theory? Drop it below. Want more? Search for the Remington Files in Forgotten Library Archives, or join our midnight live stream for a deep dive. Could a haunted artifact really predict the future? Or is someone still out there, typing the next chapter?